Hey, what's up everyone? This is Coach Pia with Trainology Fitness Systems, just here to bring you another training tip of the week. And so this week we're going to talk a little bit about low back pain, or dealing with it, or how to work around it. We've had some of the kids, the hockey players that we're working with right now, that's our big sport right now that's in season, reporting just some low back pain, pain after, coming off of tournaments or coming out of games and things like that. So here's just two exercises that we recommend that we work on, and we do program into our workouts here at Trainology to help with that. So exercise number one, it's our glute bridge, or we will refer to it as bridge. For that, we set up on the floor, we lay down flat on our back, and what we're looking to train is hamstrings, our glutes, and the muscles in our low back. So with that, we'll put the feet flat on the floor, and we want to maintain that contact as we press the hips up into what we call extension. So we're looking for the hips to be flat with the thighs here and wide open. Then we'll slowly tap our hips back to the floor and then press back up. Once we've gotten good with the bridge here, we may go for longer holds, more reps, or we will remove one leg and go to single leg position, which allows us to work on a little bit extra core strength. So that's our glute bridge. Number two is our bird dog exercise. And so the bird dog is similar to our bear crawl pattern. We're removing an opposite arm and a leg, and we're in that all fours position. So on bird dogs, when we take that position, we want to make sure that we do have wrist, elbow, shoulder in line, knees right underneath our hips, and then we will move an opposite arm and leg. When that arm comes out and that leg comes back, we want to make sure that we can keep our spine stable in a nice flat or neutral position. We don't want to extend through that low back, creating any more pressure. Remember, we're trying to alleviate that. So we want to keep the core stable and locked in. That skill of being able to control the core while we extend an arm and a leg really carries over to the control that is required for skating and also shooting, as we do produce a little bit of rotational force through those two activities. So if you have any low back pain while you're skating, while you're shooting, during games, while you're playing, remember, those are two exercises that you can implement at home, and you also see them pop up in the workouts here. So remember, train hard, train smart. We'll see you guys next week.